Rocket Money is a personal finance Android app designed to help users manage their expenses and stay on top of their financial transactions. The app allows users to link their bank accounts, credit cards, and other financial institutions to track their spending and create a budget. To get started with Rocket Money, users need to download and install the app from the Google Play Store. Once installed, users can create an account and link their financial accounts to the app. The app uses encryption and other security measures to protect user data and ensure that financial information is safe. One of the key features of Rocket Money is its ability to categorize transactions and provide users with a clear picture of where their money is going. The app can automatically categorize transactions into categories such as food, transportation, and entertainment, making it easy for users to see areas where they can cut back on spending. Rocket Money also offers bill tracking and reminders, allowing users to stay on top of upcoming bills and avoid late fees. The app can send notifications and alerts when bills are due, and users can even pay bills directly through the app. In addition to tracking expenses and bills, Rocket Money also offers budgeting tools to help users stay within their means. The app can create a budget based on user income and expenses, and provide recommendations for areas where users can cut back on spending. Overall, Rocket Money is a useful tool for anyone looking to take control of their finances and stay on top of their spending. By linking financial accounts, tracking expenses, and creating a budget, users can use Rocket Money to achieve their financial goals and improve their overall financial health.